Good day, friends. We are here at Skaweni, site number 4 of 2020. We have not been here, or you have not seen this structure yet. Last time I filmed, they were busy clearing it. This is how it looks. A lovely morning, and this will be the view from the church. Look at that. Isn't God amazing? And that will be the pastor's home right over there. So one of the sustainability projects that we run on the ICBCs is the selling of firewood. As they clear the plots, they sell firewood. So Pastor Svelatini has just collected some firewood over here. This is about enough to fill this truck bed with firewood. He will sell this for approximately $60. Now you might think $60 is not much, but $60 will keep him and his family for about a month. This is the third load they are selling, and I'm very proud of them. This is their own initiative, and please keep on praying for them, and just keep them in your thoughts, because God is good and He's faithful. Thank you so much for your support.
I'm Pastor Zwelatini. Thank you so much.